What's up, everyone? It's your buyer, and let's be real. Who doesn't want to squeeze more profit out of their apartment investments? But here's the thing. Too many landlords try to cut corners, end up with unhappy tenants, and actually lose money in the long run. That's why today we're diving deep into how to reduce your expenses the smart way. We're talking about strategies that not only boost your bottom line, but also keep your tenants happy and your properties in top shape. Because remember, this isn't just about saving a few bucks here and there. It's about creating a sustainable, profitable business that generates passive income for years to come. So, let's get started. All right, before you can start cutting costs, you need to know exactly where your money is going. I'm talking about a full-blown financial audit of your apartment building. This means scrutinizing every single expense, utilities, maintenance, insurance, property management fees, you name it. And don't forget those sneaky administrative costs that can add up fast. Now grab a spreadsheet or your favorite financial software and start categorizing these expenses. Trust me, this step is crucial because it reveals those hidden expense vampires that are silently draining your profits. Once you have a crystal clear picture of your spending habits, you can start identifying areas where you can trim the fat without sacrificing quality or tenant satisfaction. Let's talk about utility bills, those monthly reminders that can really put a dent in your profits. The key here is to become a detective. Grab your past few bills and start looking for patterns. Are there any months where usage spiked? Are you consistently using more water or electricity than similar properties? Once you've identified those high consumption areas, it's time to investigate further. A leaky faucet, outdated appliances, or even tenants who love leaving the lights on can all contribute to sky-high utility costs. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference over time, so consider installing low-flow shower heads, energy-efficient appliances, or even smart thermostats to optimize usage and keep those bills in check. Chapter 3, The Secret Weapon: Unlocking Energy Savings with Audits. Here's a pro tip that many landlords overlook: energy audits. Think of these audits as a treasure hunt for energy savings. A certified energy auditor will come in, inspect your property from top to bottom, and identify areas where you're losing energy and, you guessed it, money. They'll check things like insulation, windows, and even the orientation of your building to see how you can maximize energy efficiency. The best part? Many local utility companies offer these audits for free or at a discounted rate. Talk about a no-brainer. An energy audit can uncover hidden savings opportunities that you might never have even considered. Chapter 4, The Art of the Deal: Negotiating like a pro with vendors. Let's be real, no one likes overpaying for services, right? That's why it's so important to regularly review your contracts with vendors. From landscaping to trash removal to pest control, don't be afraid to shop around and get multiple bids. Remember, loyalty is great, but not when it comes at the expense of your profits. When you have competing bids in hand, you're in a much stronger position to negotiate better rates and terms. And here's a bonus tip: consider bundling services with a single vendor. This can often lead to significant discounts and simplify your life in the process. Chapter 5. The Power of Prevention: Saving Money Before Problems Arise. Okay, let's face it, dealing with major repairs is a landlord's worst nightmare. Not only are they expensive, but they can also disrupt your tenants' lives and lead to costly vacancies. That's why prioritizing preventive maintenance is so crucial. Think of it like this: spending a little upfront on regular inspections and maintenance can save you a ton of money in the long run. Make sure you're staying on top of things like HVAC servicing, plumbing checks, and roof inspections. Trust me, a well-maintained property is a profitable property. Outro: Unlocking your apartment empire. Profitability starts now. So there you have it, guys. By implementing these cost-cutting strategies, you can take control of your expenses and significantly boost your apartment building's profitability. Remember, it's not about being cheap. It's about being strategic and making smart financial decisions. And never forget the importance of tenant satisfaction. By providing a well-maintained, comfortable, and affordable place to live, you'll attract and retain great tenants, which ultimately leads to lower vacancy rates and higher profits. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to build your real estate empire.